Ladies and gentlemen, it's my great pleasure to welcome you to this online thematic event on combating trade in fake medicines organized by the OECD Task Force on Countering Illicit Trade. Thank you for taking time out of your busy schedules to join us today. It's often said that globalization and free trade are tremendous engines for welfare and economic growth. This is certainly true. However, they also spur illicit trade in counterfeit goods. Black markets and criminal organizations that run the shadow economy benefit from the great infrastructure of the global economy. At the same time, these criminals do not observe any of the norms and safeguards developed along with that framework. These facts are well known, and the OECD has been closely monitoring associated risk. Today, we turn our attention to the pharmaceutical sector. Development of pharmaceuticals requires a long and costly process of research and relies crucially on a sound system of intellectual property protection. At the same time, innovative, good quality medicines are vital for patients and society at large. This is becoming particularly clear as we face a global pandemic. Today, we need the pharmaceutical industry more than ever before. However, the industry faces big risk, as it is a very attractive target for counterfeiters. Criminals do not care about health and safety norms. What counts for them are high profits, low chance of detection, weak penalties, and the ease with which consumers can be deceived into believing that fakes are genuine. OECD research documents that fakes can be found in many types of pharmaceuticals, including current cures for malaria, HIV, and cancer. Our research shows that illicit trade in fake medicines is a global scourge. The criminal networks behind it are very well organized, and they misuse many modern logistical solutions, such as small parcels and e-commerce. These findings and many others will be highlighted during today's launch of the joint OECD EUIPO report on trade in counterfeit medicines. The findings are alarming and underlying the growing urgency to combat the risk of counterfeiting in pharmaceuticals and in other industries. The OECD takes this challenge very seriously, which it addresses through its task force on countering illicit trade. The task force is here to engage the global community, governments, the private sector, and stakeholders around the shared goal of countering illicit trade. I look forward to the work of the task force, and I'm confident that together we will develop a coherent and strategic response to the growing challenge of illicit trade. Thank you.